Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be making a banana pudding. Here I have a hand of ripe banana, my salt and vanilla. Next I have my lemon, my nutmeg. Also I have my melted butter, my 3 eggs that I whisk, and my milk, my sugar and my flour. Here I also have some rum. I will use only a teaspoon. I have gone ahead and crushed my Hana ripe bananas before. I'm going to pour my ingredients into my bowl. Now I'll add my eggs. Then I'll add my lime juice. Next I'll add my butter that was melted. Next I will add my cup of milk. Then I'll add my vanilla. Then I will add my almond water or almond flavoring, and then I will mix everything in. Next, I will add my nutmeg, after which I will add my crushed bananas. They are black, guys, because they have been crushed and put down for a couple of minutes. I have also added a pinch of salt. Now I will mix in all my ingredients together. So I'm gonna whisk it for a few minutes before I add my flour. Whisk it that everything can come together and combined properly. Now I will be adding my sugar and I will mix it in. After which I will add my all-purpose flour. And I'll be using brown sugar. I am using brown sugar, guys, since it's potato pudding. After adding my flour, I will mix until every lump is being dissolved. After all my lumps, my flour has been dissolved properly, I will add my baking powder. After adding my baking powder, I will also add my little rum. The rum helps with the rawness from the egg. The rum is also used as a preservative too. Now that I have added all my wet and dry ingredients, I am going to whisk them all in. Mix it, make sure it is smooth and creamy and ready for baking. Now that I have done whisking, I am greasing my baking pan. It's important to grease your baking pan that your product, your pudding, won't stick or burn. If you have grease paper, you can also use grease paper instead of using butter to grease. While I am greasing my baking tin, my oven is being preheated. Always preheat your oven before putting anything in there to bake. Now that I have finished greasing my pan, I'm going to pour all my banana batter into my pan. After finish pouring it into the pan, I will shake my pan. Shake it so it is evenly distributed. Shake the pan, guys. Here you have it. I am shaking my pan so all the batter will be level and be the same size, both top and bottom. Now I am going to place it in my oven and allowed to bake for at least 45 to 60 minutes. So it's after 45 minutes and I am checking my banana bread. I'll use my knife and stick into it. Some liquid has come out on the knife, so I know it's not baked. I have to put it in back for a few more minutes. After about 15 more minutes, guys, my banana pudding is ready. Here we go, cutting into it. Tastes great. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.